What's good, Wealthbuilders? It's your boy DeVaughn back again with another video, and today we're talking about YouTube versus IGTV. And should you be worried?
Now tuned into the greatest.
Okay, real quick, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Alright, more videos coming to you every Monday and every Thursday. Alright, so today we're talking about this whole YouTube versus IGTV versus YouTube thing, alright? And I haven't done a video like this in a minute where I'm just cruising through my neighborhood, you know what I mean? And talk to my people about, what's going on. So today I figured I dropped some gems on y'all before I hit the supermarket. All right, so let me talk to you guys real quick. All right, so IGTV. What is IGTV if you don't know what that is? It's Instagram's new app that actually coexists with Instagram. It's a way for you to record longer videos, in more of a I could say a vertical video method instead of it being, a wide video, things like that. So with that being said, so some of the, visual effects that YouTube has, IGTV can't compare with. All right, so that's number one. All right, so next up, IGTV basically is more for, how could I say, social media creators, in a sense. I think of it like this. All right, if you got a good big following on IGTV or Instagram, I should say. If you got a big following on Instagram, then you're winning way more than YouTube, okay? So if you don't got that kind of following on YouTube, but you got that kind of following on Instagram, like 10,000, 20,000, followers on Instagram, then IGTV is definitely something you should look into, because you'll get the traffic and the viewers because, they're already with you. You already got viewers. You know what I'm saying? What the heck is this driver doing? All right, so with that being said, there is, hold on, I'm driving and I don't want to mess nothing up right quick. I got this weird car in front of me and a cop just rolled past it. Oh, and he didn't do anything, but the car is in front of me and I can't really see. So it's kind of an awkward situation. Give me 1 second, viewers. I'm definitely gonna show this on record. I don't care, because this is stupid. It's stupid what this driver is doing. Anyhow. All right, so got past that part. All right, so like I was saying, IGTV is more for the social media creators that already have a following, on Instagram. Okay, now if you don't have a following on Instagram, then you might want to work on getting your followers up, through Instagram, and then putting a lot of effort into IGTV. Now, another thing IGTV doesn't have right now, IGTV doesn't have monetization for their videos in general. All right, so you can sell your products through IGTV, which is cool. You can market your products, market your services through IGTV to your followers, but you can't, you're not going to get just, income just for producing, random videos on Instagram. All right, you get to engage your fan base that's on Instagram through your videos, but not, you won't get paid for that. Not right now. They said there's gonna be soon, a way for you to get paid on it, but they'll probably come up with that soon, and there'll probably be some stipulations on that. So keep that in mind, just like YouTube has their stipulations. All right, so with that being said, let's move on to the next thing. the next thing you want to think about is this, all right? YouTube is not just an app for your phone, okay? It's not just an app for your phone. YouTube is a search engine. So like if you create videos on YouTube, and so like you do a lot of how-to videos and things like that, no one's searching for that on Instagram. All right, so like if you do how to, be a rock star, or even how to sew a hole on your sleeve, how to fix your brakes, how to change your oil, how to fry an egg, you know what I mean? Things like that. No one's searching for that on Instagram. All right, Instagram is more for just straight up enjoying time and having a good time and being motivated, and and finding different products to buy. It's more of a feel good all the way around app. There's nothing to it about business, okay? It's not specifically for business. It's specifically for people to have fun with. Not saying you can't make money with Instagram, and because you build a following, but like I said, it was built specifically for user engagement and fun, okay? Pictures and things like that, enjoyable moments and stuff like that, instead of the old Facebook way where you just gotta make comments and stuff like that, and status posts. Instagram is more for taking pictures where you are, taking videos where you are, what you're doing, showing what you're doing with your videos and things like that. That's what Instagram is rocking for. With that being said, YouTube has that portion in there where you got vlogs and fun and things like that, and having a good time and showing off whatever's going on in your life. But there's that business side of YouTube that Instagram can't mess with. You know what I'm saying? Like that business side of YouTube, okay? That business side of YouTube where it's more of a search friendly type of situation. Instagram TV, IGTV, whatever you want to call it, doesn't have that. It doesn't. That's just the truth. That's just what it is. It's nothing against IGTV. You know what I'm saying? I think it's I think it's actually smart, because honestly, I used to hate the fact that I can only upload whatever minute or whatever 90-second videos, whatever it is. You know what I'm saying? Very short videos. It was kind of annoying, to be honest, when I wanted to talk to my subscribers or followers, I should say, on Instagram or whatever. So it was kind of annoying. But the fact that now you can do 10-minute videos is a beautiful thing. You know what I mean? It's a beautiful thing. So Instagram TV, IGTV, yeah, it's cute. You know what I mean? It's dope. It's another platform for you to get your message out to your followers and things like that. But it doesn't, it doesn't compare to YouTube in the sense of that search ability and those really quality videos. Okay, quality videos. Like there's a difference. Like Instagram doesn't have that quality videos, with that vertical version. Even if they widen it, people on Instagram, that particular platform speaks to people that aren't at the moment looking for information. They're looking to be just entertained. You know what I'm saying? That's just all they're looking for, is entertainment, which is fine. We all want to be entertained. Shit, I like to be entertained ever so often. But at the same time, YouTube is more for the people that are not just looking to be entertained only, but they're looking to find information. And that's why IGTV will not completely dominate YouTube. It'll just be another platform to get your message out on. That's it. So don't worry, don't get scared, don't get nervous. You know what I'm saying? Don't be scared. Just know it's another platform for you to get your message out on. So like I said, Thanks for subscribing to the channel. Also, if you want to learn how to make $500 or more per day while, increasing your credit score and learning how to increase your credit score and your cash flow and making right now money and long-term money at the same time, check that video link below. It's a video. You go to that video and watch that video and learn how you too can make at least $500 a day or more just by doing, what I talk about in this video. All right, so just gotta go ahead and watch that video. And again, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, Wealth Builders. Again, YouTube versus IGTV. Should you be worried? Nah. Do remember, Wealth Builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.
Now tuned into the greatest.